Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to fix warning constant fs method in our WordPress website, and then you see file wp-config.php and line number 92. So we are going to fix it in WordPress. Before starting work, as per request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So there are two ways to fix this issue. So first way is to add this line of code in wp-config.php file. So after that, error or warning remove from your WordPress website. So you can find this line of code in video description or in comment section. So you can add it in wp-config.php file. So what is fs method? Now you see error constant. Now you see warning constant fs underscore method already defined in this file on line 92. So adding the line define fs underscore method dragged to your WordPress website configuration file serve a simple purpose. It tells WordPress to handle all file related tasks directly without asking for extra password. Normally when you try to install or update a plugin or theme, WordPress might pause and ask you to enter FTP credential. This is because it is trying to be secure and is defaulting to a method that uses separator that uses a separate login system to move file around FTP. So we are going to remove this line. We don't need it. Now go to wp-config.php file. File is open. Now you see line 92 define method. So we are going to remove it and then click on save. Now save done. Go to website again and refresh the page. Now you see warning is removed. So it's up to you. You can add this line of code or you can remove that line number 92 fs direct method. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.